Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick overview on how to use JSON2Video. So first, you will have to go to JSON2Video.com and sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. And once you're logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard, which is right here. And then you will look for a button that says Create Project, and it's usually at the top left or somewhere clearly visible on the screen, but you have to keep in mind that the layout may vary slightly depending on the version or update of the site that you're using. After clicking it, you will enter a page with a code editor, and it is typically on the left side. This is where you can write or paste your JSON template, which defines everything in your video: the scenes, text, images, transitions, and so on. And on the right side of the screen, or sometimes below, it depends on your layout, you will find a preview video button to see how your video looks in real time. If things don't appear as expected, you will just go back to the code and then you can make your adjustments. Once you're happy with the result, you will find and click Export or Render button. Again, the label or placement might differ based on the current version to generate your video. So after rendering is complete, you will be able to download the final output. And that's basically just it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.